Hello, my friends. Welcome back. And in this video, I was thinking, what if I can make my blog talk with my voice? Yes, we're going to be getting our Clickfunnels blog speaking with our voice. So let me just jump right there. So what I'm talking about, I am in my blog and you can see, wait, there's an audio file from the blog automatically generated and with my voice. So it's actually using my voice, automatically generating the content that is in the page. So how do we do that? Let's jump right into that. So with 11 Labs, we actually now have an option called Audio Native. And in here, we can click in Audio Native. And the first thing that we're gonna see is that it's gonna give us a piece of code, but the magic happening here, we need to allow the pages that we want the player to execute. And when we select the different blog post pages, then all that we need to do is copy this code into our blog. So how do we do that? Let me just skip out. If we go into our configuration for our site, we click on Edit Site. And now that we are here, we go into our blog home configuration and we click Blog Post. And what we're gonna do is that we're gonna add that code right in between the image. So we're gonna add in here, add an element, and we add an HTML. That's what I did in here. And all that we had to do is paste the code that we get. And what's gonna happen is that now when we open that page, the first time that you open that page, it's going to read the page and it's gonna send it to transcribe. So let's take another page so you can see how it does that. So let me just go here into my blog post. And I'm gonna go in here to unlock 7 coaching secrets. So right now, you're not seeing anything because I haven't added the page. So let me copy the page. We're gonna go into add URL in 11 Labs, save URL. And now what I have to do, I just refresh the page. And you're gonna see that now it's converting the page to audio. In about probably under 5 minutes, you're gonna see right here, see, it's converting the page. And after it gets converted, then the audio will be ready. All that we have to do is we can change settings. So in this case, I'm using my voice that I have trained on 11 Labs. You can change your colors, how the player looks, what it shows, all this information. And if you have some specific difficult, oh, there you go, it finished. If you have some difficult words that you have created specific lexicons so it can spell it correctly or say it correctly, you can add it in here. So let's go back into let's see. Still converting. It just finished, so let's go back again. There you have it. So technically, in under 3 minutes, we got from just a regular blog post to an actual audio podcast that is actually also one of the cool things that I love is that it's mobile friendly. So let me just, I'm going to come here into my device. And now I have in my mobile device. Unlock success in coaching. 7 insider secrets to perfect lead. Carlos Vargas. So right there is actually using my voice with everything that is happening on the blog post. My friends, there you have it. How you can add your voice into your actual blog post, not just how you write, but your actual voice into your ClickFunnels blog post. My friends, we'll see you on our next video.